Hey guys, thanks for coming back to Tall Tying Outdoors. So a couple episodes ago I talked about a new grill that I had got that I'm going to be using truck camping, and I'm going to use on kayak camping trips, hunting, fishing. It's an all-around grill. The only thing I can't do with it is backpack it in. It's too heavy. Weighs 7 pounds. But here is the grill. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that name because I can't pronounce it. But this particular grill, I looked at several of them. This one come off of Amazon, and it's extremely neat on how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I've already used it one time, and it was just as neat as it can be. It's all made out of stainless steel. Every piece of it is. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to do some more shish kebabs that I did the other day. The only difference is I used deer meat the other day, and unfortunately I pulled out the wrong stuff and it's actually beef. So we're still going to use it. We're still going to do some shish kebabs. Here's my steaks. So this thing is extremely neat on how it actually works. These are your two sides, your right and left. This right here is your back. So we're going to take and go ahead and get it all put together so you can see how it works. Everything's already pre-cut, pre-fitted. Only thing you have to do is just put it all together. Now it comes with a bottom plate that you actually slide in. You can kind of adjust it to how high you want it. Depends on what kind of heat and all that you want to go through. I always put it on the bottom because of what I'm going to be using. This right here is your grill top. It actually has pre-cut areas for you to put it in, or you can move it up to 4 different levels, all the way to the high to slow things down while it's cooking, or while you're putting wood and all that. Now, what I'm going to be using today is a little bit of charcoal and wood, because I'm getting the best flavor out of it. So give me just a second, let me grab all that and get it stuck in there, and while we're waiting for it to get ready, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cut up and get everything started as far as getting the shish kebabs and all ready. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and get all this stuff here put in. So as you can see, I've got charcoal. I'm just gonna put a couple of cubes on there, and I've got bricks of wood, small wood. That's gonna come in second. So let me grab my charcoal lighter, get some stuff put on that. All right guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pile the small thing of bricks up, put a little bit of charcoal lighter on it just so it can soak in while I'm getting the deer meat and everything ready. And then I'm gonna come back and put this wood on it and get it all started up and get it heated up, and then we'll go from there. And the reason it's in a bag is because I actually took it camping with us this weekend, because we was planning on doing some other stuff. All right, so first, before I do anything, I'm gonna go ahead and get these onions and get this pepper and all cut up. Get this thing right here hauled out. And then once I get these right here cut up, then we'll go ahead and get the onion cut up. You hear the crows and all out here in the yard. So I do all this outside. Just a nice day, why not? Alright, so there's the peppers. All right, get this garbage can right here. All right guys, let's go ahead and get this grill right here where we want it at. This right here is just a fire starter. It just kind of helps get everything going a little bit better. Go ahead and get my lighter. Hold on just a second. All right, guys, let's get this ball rolling here. Let's set this bag down. I don't want it catching on fire. Let that burn just a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead. You have to excuse the traffic, guys. I live right beside the road. All right. So let's get this all brought out. Get it cut up in chunks like I need it. Try to cut some of this fat off some of this stuff. Alright, there we go. So now what I'm going to do while that right there is burning like it is, I'm going to actually add some wood pieces in there to it. See if we can't get everything going a little bit better. That's the good thing about this grill, guys, is if you don't have charcoal, you don't have already wood cut up, when you're out in the wood, you can use any dry wood to really cook with. Let's go with that for right now while I'm working on the rest of this. So I'm going to spread this right here out. Piece right there is a little big. Well, that right there is getting good and hot. Now I've got this right here scattered out. I'm going to take some garlic powder. Cover this meat right here up with it. Let's get some Tonys. Mix it all together real good. A bit more Tonys. Alright guys, well that right there is heating up. We're going to go ahead and start. Sliding this stuff here up on. And guys, you see me with the gloves down here. Unfortunately, using metal shish kebabs, them suckers get so hot you can't hold them. So I use a pair of leather gloves just to be able to turn these shish kebabs around so they all don't burn on one side. Alright guys, so everything is ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and get these shish kebabs on there. One of the things I definitely like about these is that they're flat. So there's nothing rounded on them. So I can get all of them put on, and what I'll do is I'll stack them on here and then I'm going to rotate them. Hence, that's why I have the gloves. So I'll actually take the gloves, put them on here in just a few minutes, and I'll rotate them, get both sides cooked, and I'll switch them from one end to the other end. That way they're not all cooking at the same time. And you want to talk about good. Now these things right here will be good here in just a little bit. Alright guys, so everything's cooking a little fast. I had to put some more wood on it, help get things rolling a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and flip these things so they don't overcook on one side like the vegetables are right now. That's alright though. It won't take them long. They'll be ready to eat. Let that one side, man, that smells good. Wish y'all could smell it right now. So guys, I think they're done. I don't want to overcook them. I don't want to make them tough. So I'm going to pull them off. I'm going to take and lay them all down right here. There you go. You can see it working good right there. You can see that wood just burning. Gives off awesome heat. So let's take these things right here. Get these steaks pulled out of them. Oh yeah. Things right there looking right. Still a little pink in the middle, which is fine, because we're not dealing with pork. Yes sir. Alright, y'all hang loose just a minute and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a taste tester. Alright, so I've got a taste tester. I'm gonna let Christy, my wife, taste it, see what she thinks. And she's got our grandson Mason with him. What do you think, Mason? Say hey.
Hey.
How are you? You ready for Lala to taste it?
Yeah.
All right, Lala, grab your piece and taste it. Let me know what you think. Apparently it's tough.
Okay.
Okay. Not like the deer meat though? Big difference? Okay. Alright guys, so my taste tester went back inside to check the fries because she's cooking fries and cooking some bread. So this was the first time I had used beef. Last time I used deer meat, and it made a big difference. She said it was alright. So what I may do is another day I may do another video with deer meat with it. It is alright, but it isn't the deer meat. Deer meat makes a ton of difference. Different texture, different everything. But it would all get eat the same. So guys, again, thank y'all for watching Tall Town Outdoors. And unfortunately, like I said, my taste tester went inside with my grandson. But, excuse me, this will not go to waste, that's for sure. It may not be as good as deer meat, but it's still good. Whoop! I gotta run away. Come here.
Give me that la la look.
I had to run away. You want to tell them hey?
Hey.
Hey. What's your name?
Hey.
Mason.
Hey.
Yep. Camera.
Hey.
All right. So my taste tester come back. So what do you think?
It's okay.
It's not deer meat?
Nope.
Nope.
Nope. It ain't deer meat. We'll have to kill more deer this year, won't we? All right. Well, tell them bye.
Okay.
Say thank you for watching Tall Time Outdoors.
Yeah, I go.
That's right. Bye.
Bye.